Today on Tasteful Staging, we're doing wallpaper. So the easiest way to locate a mural wallpaper is to just go online and browse around and find what you like. So I've gone online and purchased my wallpaper, and before I've decided on the size, I've measured the space of where I'm going to put the wallpaper. Once your wallpaper has arrived, you need to place it on the floor and arrange it exactly how you would want it up on the wall. All you have to do is just peel off the back, and then we're going to adhere this to the wall. So I've got this tool that looks like a credit card, or actually you can use an actual credit card. And with the wallpaper, I'm going to go down slowly, getting all the air bubbles out as I put pressure on this tool. And that's how you hang mural wallpaper tasteful staging style.